What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Once again, you guys, I'm back with another super short Shein haul, and this time I chose even more basics. They have these 4 packs of workout shirts that I really love because you get so many colors and the quality is really nice. Also, I chose some tanks. The one I'm wearing is part of a 4-pack as well. A little bit of a bra situation that I'm gonna have to figure out, but I really love how soft and stretchy they are. Also, the denim shorts that I'm wearing, these are slightly different than the ones that I wore in yesterday's video. These ones are not distressed, and these are actually a size extra large, but they fit a little tighter than the large ones. But I do like them, so now I have 3 pairs of denim and the black. Here are some of the tanks. These are all in a large. They are super stretchy, like you can wear them up higher if you want like a super short crop, or you could pull them down. We also have the neutrals. I am really in love with these, and I picked out these little slipper slides. They're super cute. Super cute. I love them, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna be wearing those around the house, and I just wanted to share a little bit of my backyard with you guys. Yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're having a great day. Hit that little button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.